sunnier than most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way, it may be.
Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. Today is Wednesday and I thought I'd take you guys along with me. Right now we are about to go to the beach. It's a beautiful day. It's about 90 degrees. See you guys when I get to the beach. I just finished getting ready for the day. I have to go to Best Buy to pick up a tripod, and also I have to go to pick up a Target order. I will take you guys along with me today.
The sun is setting down soon. You'll never see the stars when you're all in your head. You can find beauty in the night too, but it's harder to see.
So this is the tripod. I just put it on. This was the other one that I was using. It's the Joby 3K tripod. I honestly like this better since it is much smaller.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more.
So I just changed into comfier clothes, and the shirt is from Las Vegas. I got it when I was on the trip there. These shorts are from Fabletics, and these are really comfy shorts. I will try to link them down below. They're definitely my favorite go-to lounging shorts. So I just have a couple things to do around the house. So I have some laundry, and then Brandon and I are gonna make dinner, so we're excited for that. We're gonna have burgers and steak. And then I'm probably gonna relax the rest of the night.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the.
It's actually so nice out right now. I'm gonna show you what Brandon is grilling. So we are reheating some filet mignon that we had the other night.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Okay, I just came back inside because I was seriously only out for all of 10 minutes and I managed to get like 20 bug bites. So that's fun. If you guys have any Netflix recommendations, let me know in the comments down below. We are currently watching Ted Lasso on Apple TV, and that only comes out once a week. Do you mind? Anyway, so I'm gonna turn on some Netflix. The burgers are ready and I will see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and staying till the end. I really appreciate every one of you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.